guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're gonna make a butternut chai bisque. Girl, it is everything that I have ever wanted in a soup. I'm not really a soup person. Like if you've seen my vegetable noodle soup video, I'm not really a huge soup person, so has to be that fucking delicious for me to eat it. And I gotta tell you, the little twist on this butternut squash bisque is a delicious. I don't know. I was trying to rhyme. I don't fucking know. Look at my shirt. It's cute. Okay. Let's get into this shit. We're going to start by pulling out our handy dandy crock pot. So I've got a big ass crock pot with a Ravens emblem on front, baby. So I have one butternut squash that we chopped up into cubes. Pop that bad boy in there. And then to that, we're going to add one red pepper and one Granny Smith apple. I know, girl, just stay with me. And then we have one onion and about, I don't know, like 4 cloves of garlic. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 5 cloves of garlic because we ain't messing around. And we're going to add some salt and pepper. And then we're going to add 3 cups of vegetable stock. So once we have that poured in there, a little trick that I'm going to show you to give it a little extra something something is after we stir this up, we're going to take a chai tea bag and we're just going to set it inside. Make sure you get it submerged in the liquid. And then I'm just leaving it hang over the top, or a little tag hang over the top like so. And we're going to pop our little top on there and we're going to let this go for, now, okay, if you do it on high, it only takes about 2 to 4 hours, closer to 4. If you do it on low, it'll take about 6 to 8 hours, closer to 8 hours. So if you're going away for the day and popping this in the morning or overnight or something like that, make sure you just put it on low for about 8 hours. But I'm going to do a quick 1-2 punch for dinner because it's lunchtime right now. And I'm going to turn it on high and let this bad boy go. Now that everything is nice and soft and it's been hanging out, we're going to take our tea bag out. This is important. Don't forget that part, you guys. Okay, so we're going to pop our tea bag out. Tea bagging. And then we're going to take our handy dandy immersion blender that I want to give a super huge shout out to Sherry. Thank you so much. This is my first one. I'm so excited. But we're going to go in here and we're going to just puree the fuck out of it. Once we have our puree, we're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of coconut milk, and we're going to stir this bad boy right on in there. And then I'm saving a little bit more of my coconut milk to put on after I ladle it and serve it in bowls. You guys, look at our soup. Oh my God, I added more coconut milk to it. Girl, I'm going to eat this actually with some toast. I got some oat nut. Like, look at that. Oh, okay. Let me just get into this. Oh, okay, so, wow, that is delicious. That chai tea gives it this great earthy flavor. The red pepper, like, helps to balance out the sweetness of the apple and the squash itself, the onions, the garlic. I'm going to tell you this right now. You need to make this. It is so good. It's the best butternut soup that I've ever had, but I want to call it more of like a bisque. I feel like it's a bisque than like a soup. I don't know. The full written recipe will be linked below. MidnightMunchiesandMore.com. And remember, you guys, to help support my channel, you can donate to my PayPal, MidnightMunchiesandMore@yahoo.com. Or you can go, just like I got this immersion blender from Sherry. Thank you so much, girl. I love it. Works perfectly. Exactly what I needed. It has a little whisk attachment too. You can go to my Amazon wish list, which will also be linked below. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you next time.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.